ulitin, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Maraming kumakalat ngayon at trending usap-usapan ang bagong agency, talent agency ng SB19 na UTA, United Talent Agency. Ano nga ba ang benepisyo ng isang artist or singers kung under contract ka ng UTA? Narito basahin natin nasusulat. Securing a contract with United Talent Agency or UTA offers singers multidimensional career expansion far beyond traditional music distribution. As one of the world's premier talent agencies, UTA bridges musicians into the broader entertainment and business ecosystems.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to...
Maraming mga Hollywood artist or musician ang bilong at under contract sa UTA like Cardi B, Bad Bunny, Shakira at maraming pang iba. Andyan din ang karibal ni Britney Spears na si Christina Aguilera. More exciting, more interesting sa mga shows, concert, TV guesting at interview sa ating mahalima inside the Hollywood at sa buong Amerika. Kaya naman, looking forward tayo dyan.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.